How to turn on silent play on the REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who prefers to browse REDnote without audio playing automatically, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the silent play so that you can scroll through your feed without any sound unless you choose to play it. Let's dive in. Firstly, open up your REDnote app on your phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account to access all of your settings. Once you are in the app, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen and it will open up your profile page. Then on the top left, you'll see the hamburger menu. Just tap on it and then you'll find the settings icon right here at the bottom. Once you land on the settings page, go ahead and tap on general settings and here you will find the silent play options. So video will be played silently unless you allow the sound, so just turn this one on. Now if you go back to your feed like this and try to play any video, there will be no sound unless you start playing like this. So if you scroll, there won't be any sound on the video. That's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.